Hi, what's up, everyone? Did you know that a folding e-bike can literally change the way you travel, allowing you to zip through traffic, store it under your desk, or toss it in a car trunk without breaking a sweat? Today, we're diving into the top best folding e-bikes for travel you can grab on Amazon. And trust me, whether you're a daily commuter, a student, or just love adventures on two wheels, these bikes have something unique to offer. All the links are in the description, so you can check them out while we go through the list. On number 6, Luxevelo Adult Folding Electric Bike. Starting strong, the Luxevelo is all about balancing power, portability, and comfort. With a 1,000-watt peak motor and a 48-volt 13-ampere-hour removable battery, this bike doesn't just get you moving. It conquers hills and accelerates like a pro, while still folding down neatly for apartments or car trunks. What really sets it apart are the 20 inches by 3 inches wide tires and multiple shock absorption systems that make even rough city streets feel smooth. Unlike smaller mini folders that feel bouncy and twitchy. Dual disc brakes give you stopping power you can trust, and the 5-speed pedal assist ensures you're in control at all times. When you compare it to the more compact 14-inch mini folding bikes, like the one we'll see next, the Luxevelo sacrifices a bit of extreme portability for a more comfortable ride and superior performance over longer distances. However, if you're looking for something ultralight for public transit, this might feel a bit bulkier. Overall, the Luxevelo shines for urban commuters who want serious power without giving up comfort or reliability. What do you think about that balance between speed and comfort? Let me know in the comments. On number 5, Folding Electric Bike for Adults, 500-watt motor, 14-inch mini e-bike. Now, if ultimate compactness and last-mile convenience are your priorities, this 14-inch mini e-bike is a game-changer. With a 500-watt motor, 48 volts, 12 ampere-hours battery, and 38-mile PAS range, it's perfect for apartment dwellers, RV travelers, or anyone needing to fold and carry a bike effortlessly. UL 2849 certification adds peace of mind, showing it's built with safety in mind, which is a feature missing in many smaller, budget-friendly models. Sure, the ride on 14-inch wheels isn't as smooth as the Luxevelo's 20-inch tires, and the top speed caps at 23 miles per hour, but the trade-off is incredible portability and convenience, letting you store it under a desk or bring it on a bus. Compared to the Luxevelo, this bike is lighter and easier to carry, but it sacrifices some ride comfort and hill climbing power. If you're commuting through crowded streets or hopping between transport modes, this mini e-bike is hard to beat for sheer convenience, and its value for money is fantastic considering the high-end safety certification. Would you prioritize comfort or portability in your city commute? On number 4, Foldable Electric Bike for Adults, 14 inches. Folding e-bike with 500-watt peak motor. Very similar to the previous mini folding bike, this model also focuses on compact urban mobility with a 500-watt motor, 48-volt removable battery, and UL 2849 safety certification. It handles hills up to 30 degrees easily and folds down to fit tight spaces, making it ideal for commuters with very limited storage. Compared to the Luxevelo, this bike is smaller, lighter, and more portable, but gives up some stability and ride smoothness because of the tiny 14-inch wheels. In real-world terms, it excels for short to mid-range trips, public transit integration, and situations where carrying or storing the bike quickly is critical. Its affordability makes it a strong contender against the high-end Luxevelo, and it's a solid option if you prioritize portability over cushioned comfort. It's like the choice between a compact sports car and a comfortable SUV. You sacrifice some comfort for agility and convenience. On number 3, a 12 foldable e-bike for adults, 2,000 watts/1,000 watts, 14-inch wheels. Now we're stepping into serious power territory. The A12 is designed for riders who want performance and portability, offering up to 2,000 watts peak output and speeds up to 40 miles per hour, though city laws might limit you to 28 miles per hour. With a massive 52-volt, 25 ampere-hour battery giving 60 to 80 miles of range, this mini folder is a powerhouse, perfect for long commutes or fast urban travel. The 14-inch folding design makes it surprisingly storable, but those small wheels mean you feel every bump at high speed, requiring caution. Compared to the Luxevelo and other mid-range mini folders, the A12 trades ride comfort for extreme power and range. If you're the kind of rider who wants to feel the thrill and needs ultra-long distances on a single charge, this bike is unmatched. However, it's overkill for casual riders or those who prioritize foldability and lightweight over raw performance. Its keyless ignition system is a modern convenience not seen on lower-end models, adding a touch of tech-savvy flair. How important is range versus ride comfort for your daily trips? On number 2, electric tricycle for adults, 750 watts, peak 1,350 watts. The trike flips the game on stability. Unlike two-wheeled folders, this three-wheel design prioritizes balance, cargo capacity, and safety over speed or compactness. With a 750-watt motor, hydraulic brakes, and 20 inches by 4 inches fat tires, it handles varied terrain confidently and includes a rear differential for smooth turning, something even high-powered two-wheelers like the A12 can't offer. Compared to the A12 or Luxevelo, the trike is slower, max 20 miles per hour, and bulkier, but no folding e-bike can match its stability and utility for cargo or mobility-challenged riders. It's a perfect pick for seniors, commuters carrying groceries, or anyone who wants peace of mind on 3 wheels, but its size makes it less ideal for tight apartment storage or public transit. Would you trade speed for safety and cargo space? On number 1, a 14 electric bike, premium adult e-bike with AI pedal assist. Topping our list is the A14, a tech-forward, ultra-comfortable, folding e-bike that combines AI-powered pedal assist with 9 shock absorbers for an exceptionally smooth ride. Its 650-watt peak motor and 499 watt-hour battery provide reliable city commuting without sacrificing comfort, while the UL2849 certification and 44.99% brake ratio ensure safety that rivals anything on this list. Compared to power-focused bikes like the A12, the A14 doesn't hit extreme speeds, but the AI assist and superior suspension make stop-and-go city riding effortless and enjoyable, especially over rough pavement. If you value intelligent tech, advanced comfort, and top-tier safety, this is the premium choice. It's ideal for urban professionals willing to invest in a smarter, more cushioned ride while still enjoying the portability benefits of a folding bike. So, there you have it, the ultimate lineup of folding e-bikes for travel, ranging from compact mini folders to high-power beasts and ultra-stable trikes. Each has its strengths depending on whether you prioritize portability, comfort, power, or stability. All the links are in the description, so check them out and tell me which one you'd ride first. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth e-bike reviews and travel tips.